In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync specific folders in OneDrive. This is perfect if you want to keep only the files you need on your computer while everything else stays safely in the cloud. Start on your desktop and look at the taskbar near the clock. Click the small arrow that shows hidden icons in the notification area. This expands the tray so you can see more apps that are running. Find the OneDrive cloud icon, hovering over it should say Microsoft OneDrive, and click it to open the menu. In the OneDrive menu, click the Settings gear. This opens the Options menu. From there, choose Settings to bring up the OneDrive Settings window. When the window appears, you'll see several tabs across the top. First, click the Settings tab to get oriented. This area contains general preferences for how OneDrive behaves on your device, but we won't change anything here right now. Next, click the Account tab. This tab shows which OneDrive account is connected and how much storage you're using. It also has the control we need to pick exactly which folders sync to this computer. Click Choose Folders. A dialog will appear listing your OneDrive folders. This is where you select the specific content you want available on this device. If you check a box next to a folder or file, it will sync locally so you can access it even when you're offline. If you clear a box, OneDrive will remove the local copy to save space, but your content stays in the cloud and can still be reached on the web or other devices. Go through the list and click the box beside each folder or file you want to sync. You can expand folders to get more granular, choosing only the subfolders you need. Take a moment to double check your selection so you're syncing exactly what you use most often, like active projects or shared folders you access regularly. When you're happy with your choices, click OK to confirm. OneDrive will apply the changes. Depending on how much you selected, it may take a few moments for files to download or for unselected items to be cleared from your local drive. You'll see the status update in the OneDrive menu as it works. That's it. You've tailored OneDrive to sync only the folders you want, helping you stay organized and save disk space. You can return to the same account tab and choose folders at any time to adjust your selections as your needs change.